Hi there, my name's Ian. I work for a company called Cut Plastic Sheeting. I'm going to show you quickly how to transform your old kitchen to put new acrylic panels on the front of the drawers and the cupboards. The acrylic's applied with a double-sided tape on the back, which you just remove yourself. A few ways you can do this. One is you can completely remove your cupboard doors and drawers and do them flat on the floor, or you could do it as I am, which you could use a straight edge to the bottom of the door to sit your panel on, and then pre-drill the back where the handles are through the acrylic before you do anything else. If you get a drill with a 4mm drill bit in the drill and just drill through the cupboard door at the back into the acrylic on a slow speed. If you peel the film back enough to get the handle back on. And then peel the film right off. And that's transform your old cupboard door into a stylish glossy colour. Likewise with the cupboard door and drawer fronts, just remove the backing tape that's applied on the back of the unit. And again, just line the drawer front up with the drawer. The same as the cupboard door, just drill through on the inside through the acrylic and reapply the handle